So we received our Omtech 60-watt laser. Now, when it arrived, as explained, we live in the Dominican Republic. So we have all our stuff shipped to America to a shipping forwarder, which is a company that collects the stuff and then ships it to the Dominican Republic. When the laser arrived at the shipping forwarder in Florida, they contacted me to say the box had been damaged. They then took the cover off and had a look underneath, and we sent pictures of the damage to Omtech. Omtech were very convinced that there was no major damage to the laser or the machine, and they said they felt confident that there was no damage, and they asked me to check, but obviously the shipping forwarder, well, not obviously, the shipping forwarder wasn't prepared to completely unbox the laser and turn it on. Besides, they didn't know what it was. So I took the risk and I had it shipped to the Dominican Republic, and we are now going to unbox it to see how bad the damage actually is, and hopefully the laser's not damaged. To return ship this to California, where it originally came from, it must probably cost me in the region of $2,000, and the Omtech Laser is pretty much more than 50% of its value. So let's hold thumbs and hope that it's not damaged. Let's get to it. My father always had a funny story. He goes, there's never the wrong tool, you just need a bigger hammer. He was actually a very good mechanic. Okay, so today we are unboxing our new laser cutter from Timo. I've already taken some of the screws out, so we don't have to bore you with that. And let's see what we get when you order a laser cutter from Timo. Oh, not very bad packaging. Whoa!
The Bluetooth device is connected to the cell phone.
The laser's already connected. Laser, draw me a dog. Well, there we go. Not bad. That's what you get when you order a laser cutter from Temu. Laser cutter off. Not bad, I gotta say myself. Okay, so coming over here, opening up the laser. I've been a really good YouTuber and watched a ton of different videos on this unboxing, so I'm sure a lot of you are going to be kind of bored of it all. However, I thought I'd do it one more time. So as they described, you get a box, and I believe in that box we're going to have a bunch of tools. So let's go ahead and open this up. They say gently push that back, which it does do. And now we have this box, which, from everything we've been explained, is going to contain, as you can see, I was a terrible kid at Christmas time. And let's go ahead. And pretty much everything that I've seen, you have your ventilation tube which they supply to you, a little tool bag, a hose for your water cooler, a ground cable and a hose clamp, and your keys. So the very first thing that I want to do is I want to open up and see if the laser tube is okay, because that will make all the difference on whether. Right, so this shall be the truth. Wow, that looks good. The laser tube is all intact. Nothing is broken. The damage all seems to be up there. We can see how that metal is bent out of place there. So the most important thing is our laser tube is not damaged. Now, as what they say with this, you need to be really careful when taking this cover off, because you don't want to upset the little mirrors that are apparently behind you. Now, just so you know, I've never opened one of these before. I've just watched a ton of YouTube videos on what to do. And everybody says be very careful, because apparently everything is in sync and everything is set. Now, after this big bump this one's have, I guess we will find out when we turn it on. Me with my big African fingers. Alrighty, so that is all in place. Then we need to take out the little sponge supporters. So that is excellent news that the laser is not broken. So we can go ahead and close that up. And for now we're going to go ahead and lock it again.
Smash that like button.
Okay, so now we've got that out of the way, we shall go ahead and look. This is for the ventilation. This is the rubber hoses for the water. And this is a little bit of the ventilation hose, and this is going to be an earth strap. So for now, I'm just going to put these in this place over there, and we shall look what else we have in the box. Okay, we have, oh, this is going to be, if you don't use a chiller, then they supply you this little, oh, there we go, already lost. They supply you with this little fish pump, which you would just put in a bucket of water, and then it circulates the water through to have your cooler. We have, in fact, over there, we have bought a 5200 chiller. So we actually have bought a chiller. So this fish pump will actually go to our new house, to the fish tank. So we'll go ahead and put the fish pump over there, and let's go and look at what else they provide us. Some tape. What do we have in here? Feels kind of. This will be a resistor. Okay, I'm not sure what that's for, but that will be a resistor. Silicone sealant. A high quality Allen key set. An Ethernet cable, a USB cable, power cable, and instruction manual. Alrighty. I'm just kidding. We'll get the instruction manual back. Alrighty, very important, the instruction manual. And I'm going to go ahead and just put all the things that came with it here, because I want to do one more inspection of the damage inside. Now that I know the laser is okay, we have a magnet here. Look at that magnet. Not sure where that magnet comes from. Okay, looking inside the machine, this is where the damage is. Now Omtech obviously knows their machine a lot better, so we will send this information to them and see what they say. But for me, I'm actually quite happy with that. I will go ahead and press that out, and as long as the machine works, I guess we'll just accept their $80 gift card. So here we have more little covers, and we have another little cover over there, and we have some plastic covering the cutting tray. So I'm not going to bore everybody. There is some Ziplocs which need to be removed. And as you're a new channel, and I keep forgetting to go, If you guys are enjoying this so long, go ahead and subscribe. I'm planning on putting a video together today, pretty much a little bit more about who I am and what I'm doing. I've posted some pictures about like my dog Silly and that, but I think we'll go ahead and post the video today on who I am, what I'm doing, what this is all about, and maybe give you guys a bit of idea. Effectively, this video is about putting together an Omtech 60W laser in the Caribbean with limited tools and supplies. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit like, hit notifications, and you'll see all the new updates are going on. And follow along the ride about a Sapper Kappa, South African captain, ex-captain, I actually hate the word captain, but yeah, captain in the Caribbean, doing crazy stuff, almost used that bad word, doing crazy stuff, building boats, laser engraving, 3D printing, running a small little boutique hotel in Mascarenas, have a crazy dog, Silly, Fully, who rules our life. Yeah, come join us along the ride for all the fun stuff we do. So go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.